How you doing, everybody? This is me, Max Farrell from DexFXMarkets.com. Today is the 30th of September, 2019, and we're about to go into a very tough week in the process. Now, you're getting this video because you're part of our DexBot or our StepBot system, or also you're probably watching this on YouTube because we've made it public. I just wanted to let you all know that if you're running our copier system from our StepBot system, that we're going to be turning off the StepBot periodically throughout the week. And what we're planning to do, even though that our systems have negated through the news and have done those things, there are 2 days that we'll be turning the bot off. Basically, once we get to a cleared avenue of success, if we find that the first Wednesday, on this time right here, down here on Wednesday, if we get through this news okay, we might be keeping the bot on through the NFP. But you always have the choice for you, if you decide that the NFP might be a little bit too much craziness for you to be able to go that way, you might decide that, hey, I think I'm going to turn it off for that time. So if you get to a point where, say, one of the pairs is using, like, it's got a lot of your margin up or what have you. Now, if you've done it correctly, the bots run very well, even through NFPs and news and things like that. It's when it continues to go for a long period of time going straight down that has a problem. And that's usually not too much news related. That's overall related, right? The trend is usually going down at those times. I would suggest that if you could, turn your bot off or turn your copier system off as long as the trades are closed out. And if you have to close those trades out, go over to your virtual screens and trading platforms through your respective systems, or get up a MetaTrader 4 to be able to turn those off. We're turning off the pairs on Wednesday at between 8 and, or they should be off sometime during the night. Hopefully by Tuesday night, they'll be turning off. I'll be looking at those times. I'll be putting out another email at that point. And by Friday morning, they might go back on again, Wednesday afternoon. But by Friday morning, they're shutting down again. By early Friday morning, they're shutting down. And then we'll probably keep them off throughout the week. If you have our DexBot system that uses a couple of pairs to be able to trade some pretty good timings, I would definitely be turning it off probably Tuesday night, and probably not turning it back on until next week. I'm going to be honest with you, okay? Because it's very difficult for the bot to rectify itself when it gets heavy into news to that solution. So I turn it off and let the market do its thing, and then come back next week with it. It's okay. It's okay to take a couple of days, especially with heavy news situations happening. It's okay just to kind of take that break. All right, so keep that in mind. All right. If you don't have one of these bots yet, if you don't have the system yet, please jump over to DexFXMarkets.com. Check us out. They're very inexpensive at $127 a month for the entire package, the entire network. Boy, are you getting a deal. So I hope to see you inside. We also, you can, if you're somebody who's trading Forex or trading that process, if you're not and you're into Nadex, we got a great signal system as well as a great charting system that really gets you into being able to trade our TNT strategy on a 1 and 2 hour. We have bots that trade the TNT 1 and 2 hour trades and dailies and ATMs and 5 minutes and all that kind of great stuff. Those are a little bit more expensive, but you could probably do better than the bots trading it at the lower rate. So if you start out trading at, the manual side and you make enough money that you can pay for the other bots, then you just sort of turn it on. You let it do its thing. So, all right, I'm Max Farrell. This is DexFXMarkets.com. I look forward to seeing you inside. And as always, trade well.